have our demo shoe. In other words, we have our regular shoes here, but we got a breakaway so we can show the demo and how this thing works. Now, we're going to bring this up a little bit. Bring this up a little bit so you can see it. Now, this is the netting, and the netting is wrapped around. But notice the netting, it's not a whole full sheet. The netting is it's only 2 feet. So it's 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6 pieces of netting stacked up. Now, and the styrofoam. Now, watch this. The styrofoam is cut in 3 pieces, 3 places. The styrofoam is cut in 3 places. We got the top, the middle, and it's cut in the top, the middle, and the side, and you can see that. We have the string here that we have the string here that we string it together. You know. Now we can do a quick. Well, we open this up here so you can see how the foam is wrapped around. I mean, the netting is wrapped around. Or you can call this netting, or you can call this fencing. Now, we said before, you can buy this at the Home Depot, and it comes in about 2 feet, just like we got here. And you can see it. And this comes in different colors. I think some come in blue and green and orange. This is blue, I guess, but green, orange, I think, and yellow. But normally, I think you could just get this color here at the Home Depot or Lowe's or Ace Hardware, you know, wherever you are in your hometown. Or if you are out of the country, like we said before, almost any hardware store would carry this type foam. And it's about, you see, it's big enough I can get my fingers in, so I can work it. You know, I can work it. I can work the foam, and this is what I'm concerned about. So I don't need a lot of tools and all this. So I can just get here, and you can see here I can work. I can sew this together pretty easily without a lot of without a lot of problems. You know, I could. So if I'm out in the water and it's cold and this and that, I don't need to. Well, where's my tools and all this and all that? But I could work it, and this is one of the main reasons we want a large netting so we can work it. Now this netting does 3 or 4 things. One of the main things it protects the styrofoam. You know, the styrofoam is relatively flimsy, but once we have the netting in, it gives it some strength and it gives it some stability. So we cut this in half. Now, why would we do that? Gee whiz, you know, why would we do that? Well, the main difference between a raft and a boat is that the raft has separate elements, just like we said, like bamboo, where each bamboo pole is supporting itself. In other words, you don't have to seal the shoes together like in a kayak. A kayak or a canoe, you punch a hole in it and the thing goes down. But in a raft, you punch a hole in it, it don't go down. Why? Because there's flotation in each one of the bamboo pieces.